here. And then the ANC, because oMalambane, niyapha niyophaphata niyothatha londo ninikwayo. Niyayithatha into engekhoyo niyayishwabanisa nifake epokothweni because oMalambane. You don't want to get to a revolution. Lesi kuyo. Niyahamba oMhlupheki amagameni. Ewe kunzima outside power, comrades. It's not easy. It's not easy. They'll give you free grants. That is intervention done by the African National Congress. Comrades, do not be misled and allow the revolution to be hijacked ngomafikizo, who have stolen your slogans and basically claimed and claimed to be their own and formed organizations around them. We were in a house when we taught Julius economic freedom. I was with that ungovernable Tony Ngeni. When we taught him economic freedom, and that day Tony Ngeni was sober, very sober. And then he was leading that discussion, and then simfaki politik, ukujonga. This revolution is about economic freedom. We've got to be radical. And then he took it to the Youth League. It was in a house when we planted those ideas in that head of his. And then today he says, no, he's the best thing since sliced bread. He's the best thinker. Why best thinker? Why fumana people take ANC? They can't speak without referring to the NDR. Why I understand? When we're teaching him NDR, he left. And we sympathized with him. And there's no way the revolution will be defeated by a counter-revolutionary and an anarchist. You know, comrade, Hitler was, when he started that nonsense, which was defeated by Soviet Union, he called himself a socialist. Hitler. He hijacked people, spoke progressive, everything. In no time, wabulala majuda. That's why you are going with this. No content, no direction, economic freedom, one. All those kids who are there, believing they are following the right thing, they are suppressed. You won't speak when he speaks. Teta yeto. Uthi mna. I'm on TV every day. Titi, when you are on TV more than Muvhango and generations. More than Muvhango and generation. Mazili meziekye. And this uchigamna. The ANC's under attack is being distorted here by clowns who don't have content. And every day we are quiet. And who are sponsored by the West to defeat the African revolution, masquerading as revolutionaries by day, mafias by night. Masquerading as revolutionaries by day, mafias by night. We have been hijacked here in Gotsotsi. Every day, abantu be-ANC bathule, i-Youth League ithule niyoyika. Si hijackwa ngotsotsi emini daylight. Umalima ngubani ezasixelela ngepoverty yabantu bakuthi. When is languishing in goodness and everything that is good. Nguye lo azos educate ngepoverty yena ukuthi yena is the best socialist. Yes, I can at least recognize Ndlozi. Yes, I can recognize him ukuthi hello no kuyathetha. We can't be hijacked, man, by clowns. And then we are quiet and our people believe that story. Every day, abantu bakuthi bayaklenza bazangena eFNB ngoku. Believing that bangena enkonzweni yokonyane kalkhanyana. They have been hijacked. They are told that the ANC is a disaster. Uzuma, in the past 15 years, was being insulted by this boy. In no time, umbizela itiye kwakhe. Ndithi hayi xeshikhala letwana linzima. Uyomamela lonto umsholozi ukuthi no, he can be saved by Malema. from all his atrocities, his life and everything. Ulenda pa uhamba no Mzwandile no Tony because they fled there. U-Andile Lungiso uzenza isitshovi pa. Ubusy every day umelana ne-EFF. Umuntu ofuna i-EFF makaye kuyo man. Not yet. Makaye kuyo ayoyijoyina. Asinakhala lonto. Don't be with us here. Uzosixelela ukuthi uMalema uright. Uright phi uMalema? uMalema at any given point in time, whenever we wanted him, he has shown us ukuthi he sleeps with the enemy. Usponsorishwa yi-enemy. Uqhatha abantu bakuthi. At the crucial moments, he has taken that EFF. I went to him just this past election. Damcenga ndahlala naye noPule pha ePitoli wathi no sizakwenza power sharing. Wasinika i-exam xa sidibana naye. Exam ukuthi masibhale 10 points. Yes, ayibhala man. We wrote that exam. Samxelela, no, we have done this and that and that. What is suka and up? Now the taps are drying, are running dry. He's coming here using municipalities to get some sense here. And then the ANC, because oMalambane, niyapha niyophaphata niyothatha londo ninikwayo. Niyayithatha into engekhoyo niyayishwabanisa nifake epokothweni because oMalambane. You don't want to get to a revolution. Lesi kuyo. Niyahamba oMhlupheki amagameni. Ewe kunzima outside power, comrades. It's not easy. It's not easy. But it's not for the first time. It's not for the first time. We need to take them on politically and lead a real revolution in this country. Singacengi. We must not retreat on that. We must stay focused. Because this thing of retreating, we are just going to dilute this revolution. We are donating it every day. We are donating it every day. Flip-flopper of note. Isikalela nge-revolution. Somebody who speaks this today, tomorrow he wakes up talking different things. Zuma was the enemy, today is the best. Cyril was the best, today is nothing. Flip-flopper, even in policy, there's no policy there. There's no policy there. The think tank of that thing is Floyd. Yes, if Floyd can die, the thinking is gone there. He's got no capacity to think, nothing. Floyd or drafter yonke lanto ne cardinal points are called. Weird. There's nobody there.